Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Sorry, not daily analysis, weekly analysis. What's really happening in the market? We have a very great week coming, guys. We have CPI, we have federal rates, we have PPI coming this week. So it's going to be very great. It means this week is going to be focused more actually on fundamentals. But before we continue there, we have some very great news. Don't skip. We have some very great news for you guys. So on our before I show you whatever here, let me show you what we have. You can see that these are our normal prices. So what's really happening is we are giving you 50% off, but for only 2 days. For only 2 days, 50% off of these prices. So 6 months is gonna be $75. 12 months is gonna be $125 and 175, something like that. 175 for a lifetime VIP signal. Here you can also do the math. I think it's 125. Yes. So if you want to be part of the team, just scan this QR code here, talk to me. This is only 2 days, and you can just use my WhatsApp number or the link in the description. 50% off for only 2 days. So just let me know if you want to be part of the team. So let's go straight back on the market. What's really happening? As I did show you that, you know what, on Friday, actually last week, the market was trying to recover very nice, and we did make some very nice profits. You can see semiconductors were actually performing very well. We're talking about Nvidia, Taiwan, or TSMC. We have Broadcom, Intel, Qualcomm, Adobe. They were all performing very well. Only Google was the one which was not really performing very well. I see Meta Platforms was also not performing very well. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, they were all doing great. So that's why we saw Nasdaq, US30, S&P 500, they were all pushing to the upside. This app is called Mumu. You can get it for free, guys. You can just use that. You can see, just for you to understand, when you see Nasdaq, S&P 500, when they are bullish, you will see that by these companies performing. Even on top here, you can see it's S&P 500. Here, I think it's Nasdaq or US30. So it's easier for you to see what's really happening for those who don't really understand what's really happening. And this app has everything. There is economic news on this app. There is news that you can cover. They cover almost everything. So there is wish list, there is headlines, what's really happening in the market. Let me just push it there. So you can just read whatever that you want on the same app. If you are not lazy to read. So it means for you to go on CNBC, it's good, but they all cover everything from those apps. I hope you understand that. So let's go back. So I hope you understand that. So what's really happening on the economic news? It's a very nice week, as I already specified. On Monday, we don't really have much. It's fine. But Tuesday we have CPI. This is what I'm waiting for. I'm expecting CPI to still push the lower side, which means I will be buying Nasdaq, gold, and all other pairs. Tuesday we also have CPI from sorry, not CPI. We have core PPI from US around the same time, 3:30. Later on, around 9, we have federal rates or interest rates. This is going to be nice, guys. This is going to be nice. And when we go further, we see unemployment changes from Australia. We see retail sales from US. You can see here retail sales from the US. And we also see interest rates from GBP and also from Europe. So this is going to be the last week of this major economic news. So we're gonna see them again in January. So this is going to be good. If we can capitalize on this, yeah, we're going to eat very nice. Later on Friday, it's where we're going to receive PMIs, manufacturing PMIs. Yeah, they do really move the market, but not really that crazy. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is gonna be crazy. crazy. This week, you don't really have to miss anything. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button so that I can keep updating you every day, especially early in the mornings, right? So let's go straight to the chart. What is this? USD Canada. So I will just start from USD Canada. Please, guys, if you are new to the channel, just know that you are welcomed. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. If you've been here, just smash the like. Let's smash the like. What's really happening on USD Canada on a bigger time frame? This is just 4 hours time frame. Previously, you saw the market was pushing to the upside. Very nice. Now the market is actually on a downtrend. So we can easily see that now the market is going down. I see what's really happening. You can see what's really happening. The market just respected a smaller resistance there. You can see a smaller resistance. We had a resistance here, or we can call it a previous support. So the market respected that. Obviously, I'm expecting to see the market pushing lower. Yes, we were in a smaller profit. The market turned back and pushed lower again. Turned here, pushed up, but I'm expecting to see the market pushing up again. I think it's just straightforward. We will see the market going down actually this week. I think the market will be continuing. I don't think they're going to increase the rates or interest rates this week. So that's going to be good. It's going to be like seriously good. So you can also draw this inner structure or that resistance like that, just to help you to understand what's really happening. Something like that. That is a inner, or we can call counter trend. It's a resistant line. It's just a continuation of that sell inside that downtrend. So let's push to the next one, which is DXY dollar index, the strength of the dollar. We see it here. So what do we see here? The structure is quite similar to what we saw on USD CAD. The market is just playing around this area of resistance. You can see previously, yes, the market was going down. And after that, we see a very nice breakout. Now the market is just going down. You can see that. So I'm still expecting to see the market pushing even lower. But what we see here is the market seems to be playing around this resistance there. You can see we had an area there. Around here, the market did play around, but it seems like it's unable to break. We saw the market pushing lower, aggressively pushing up again, but it seems like it's reversing again. We will see maybe it pushing lower. If maybe the market wants to change this, it means we're going to see that continuation of a sell on those other pairs. We're going to see a reverse of the trend, because this is the dollar. This is dollar index. So if we see the market, if we see the dollar gaining some strength, it means Euro USD will be selling, Gbpusd will be selling. But if we see it going down, just know that it will be the opposite. They will be buying. Simply, they will be buying against the dollar, right? So that's what we see. I'm still expecting maybe Monday we will see a nice move. So tomorrow, I don't really expect anyone just to go aggressive on the market, especially on Mondays when we're expecting some seriously high impact news like that. So NFP was not really that crazy, but CPI can go crazy. CPI, it's good, guys. So we are on GBP, JPY. What's really happening? Let me just go on a daily time frame. This thing just moved. It's very crazy. I missed that move. So yeah, but when we go on a bigger time frame, we can easily see that we had some points that the market did touch before. Do you see that? I wasn't actually even aware of that. So it seems like now it's obviously a chance for the market to do what? To repeat the same thing here. You can see it means it's the time the market is going to do that. You can even see it here. Obviously, we might see a continuation of that buy. So I'm still expecting to see that buy. But we were already up when the market breaks out of that. But with this support area here, it shows that we are on this continuation of a bullish momentum. So I don't think there's much I can show you there. You can see where the market is touching. You can see where the market is touching. So let's push to the next one. Which is GBP USD. So from this daily time frame, you can easily see that the market was pushing down for quite some time. We call that downtrend. The market was downtrending. If you know, you know. You saw we did cover this on our daily analysis. From there, we saw the market trying to change the direction or change the trend. Now the market was doing what? The market was pushing up. Yes, you can see the aggressive push the upside, also the aggressive push the lower side. But We stood strong there. I think the market is now trying to reverse. Let's go on 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. If you still remember, I've been preaching that the trend is not really proper, or this support area was not really proper. But now I think the market is just confirming that. I think the market is just confirming that area to say, you know what, guys, now we have a proper support area. We had a buy and we were still in a profit. I did not really take much because I was focusing on US30 and Nasdaq. So, but you can see that the market is on this uptrend. So I'm expecting the market to continue pushing to the upside. If not, it means we might see the market breaking out here and continuing pushing to the lowest side. But I'm expecting a very nice reversal. I'm expecting to see the market pushing up. But that will mean that the dollar has to be weak. It means CPI has to go down. Interest rate, I don't think maybe it's really aggressive. I think maybe they will just pause the rate, and that it's fine. I think we will just see the market pushing to the upside. And if maybe they can say, you know what, maybe next year there is a chance that they're gonna cut interest rates, that is going to give other pairs some serious momentum, because sometimes these pairs, they just gain this bullish move because there is a chance that maybe the rates might push up. People like interest rates. I mean, business people, they like interest rates, so that when they borrow the money, like when they buy treasury yields, they can get enough interest rates. If not, it means then rates are going down. It means treasury yields, they're going to be very few, and that the dollar is not going to gain much, and other pairs are going to do what? Push the to the upside. Please, guys, you should also learn about treasury yield or bonds, government bonds and stuff like that. They can also help you to understand what's really happening with the interest rates. So now we are on Euro USD. What's really happening on Euro USD? The market was pushing to the lowest side. You can see that the market was going down like that. It was a very nice downtrend. Now the market is changing. Obviously, we are going on and this uptrend. But what we know is, remember, when we draw the trend line, this area was still under this downtrend. So we're not going to use that to continue pushing up. I hope you understand that. So it means now we don't really have that aggressive, that stronger support area, but for now we will use these two areas until we get that, because this is the only major reversal that we had after we had this push. So now if we can have another push, the second reversal, that is going to make our solid structure, then we're going to continue drawing the lines like that. So I hope maybe you make things the market will make things simpler for us. This there's a noise coming from other side, sorry about that. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting the market to create. I see the market is respecting that level, so I'm just going to use that. Actually, I was connecting this area, not where I'm connecting, not this area, somewhere there. You can see there we had a support, or you can call it a previous resistance. So we had something like that. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To continue pushing to the upside. I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the upside from this area. But what I know is we don't really have a proper support area. But yes, we can see that if we use this horizontal structures, you can see here, if we draw, we're going to have that support. Let me draw that, and you will see. Let's see. You see that? That is the area that I used there. We had a buy, but the market did not really fly to the upside. So I'm still expecting to see this push to the upside. Do you see that? I'm still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. Why? Because I'm expecting to see a stronger support there, but the market is not really giving us that now. Maybe next week when I have that, and we're still going to continue pushing to the upside. Unless if maybe the market keeps breaking all these areas, now we're going to change our mind and say, oh, we've been holding that for quite some time, and we've been expecting the market to push up. But if it keeps pushing lower, or if it keeps breaking everything, obviously we're going to change our mind and look for a sell. So let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold, what's really happening on gold? Yeah, gold has been pushing to the lowest side, guys. So what happened actually? Let me remove that. The market was pushing to the upside. If you did check, on a bigger time frame, we reached a very nice level. Let me just use weekly, maybe that will be clear. On a weekly time frame, you can easily see that we have, this was the fourth time we had this area, the second one, third one, and the fourth one went even higher. But if you can check that nicely, it seems like the market, maybe we can just say around the same level, but we don't really have to force that, right? So, and every time when the market reaches that area, we had a very longer downtrend. You see that? We had this very longer downtrend. This was short here, but what will happen now? Will the market create the same structure? We don't know. We don't know. But since the dollar is getting weaker, I think maybe there is a chance that maybe the market will end up pushing to the upside. But we don't really have to force that. We don't really have to say, oh, the market, no. Let's wait for the market to do its thing and we can follow that. So now let's go on a smaller time frame. Let's go on a smaller time frame. Now let's go on our 4 hours time frame just to see things clear or closer. So on our 4 hours time frame, yeah, this thing is no longer smooth, man. So we can see that we had this structure. We had this area that we can say it was a sort of a support area. Then we had, we had also a nice buy pending order that if maybe the market is going to respect this area, we can see a breakout, but we also have this support. So it means if maybe the market breaks out, we can say, okay, now the market is about to push lower. If it respects this area, then it will find our buy pending order. Guess what? The market just broke out. You can see our buy pending order is a bit higher. So it means if the market, but it seems like I see a reversal there. If the market continues to push the upside, it means we'll be respecting our this area. We can call that support. So we might end up pushing the upside. If not, it means we will see the market starting to push even lower. So don't just jump on a sell there. Wait for the market, everything to be clear. Then you can jump on a sell. Wait for the market to push up, and when everything is clear, wait for that buy. But it's crazy because if maybe the market starts to push lower, it means we'll be confirming that whatever that I showed you on a bigger time frame to say maybe now it's time for the market to push lower. But CPI and CPI and CPI and FOMC, that is going to change everything. We're going to see what's actually happening. Unfortunately, we also have geopolitical news, and sometimes we might start to see the gold also. That's what I'm expecting. When we have geopolitical news, Israel, Ukraine, whatever, that creates a demand for gold. Even though maybe things might look like the market is crashing now, the market can still reverse very quick. I hope you see that. I think it might reverse very quick. So, but we have to be safe. We don't just have to say just because maybe there is whatever, like geopolitical news, we just need to just buy without checking some structures. We have to. Yeah, so now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? We can easily see that, yes, the market, this is a daily time frame, by the way. You can easily see that the market was pushing down. The market was going down very nice. That was a very nice downtrend. Now this is an aggressive buy, guys. This is an aggressive bullish momentum, and you can see for several days we did not really have a proper reversal. I think that is still coming. Let's hope that CPI is not going to go stronger, because if it goes stronger, there will be a chance that they're still going to increase the rates, and that is something that we don't really want, right? It's something that we don't really want. So let's go on a 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. Let's see. After we had that breakout, you can see that the market is pushing to the upside. We did try to get some some opportunities along the way. We did have some buys around this area. The market was reversing around this consolidation structure. Let me zoom a little bit again so that you can see what's really happening there. Let's zoom, because this is where we are now. This is 4 hours time frame. So we have this structure. I thought maybe the market was going to break out late on Friday, but the market did not really break out. So we had a buy pending order on top. If not, it means that the market might still push the lower side. and create something like that before we see the market pushing up. Remember, we are still on that bullish momentum. If it breaks, we can still take that buy. If not, maybe it will come towards this support area. But what I want is a proper reversal. Maybe we can have a proper reversal, and then we can have a proper structure. You can see that after this bullish momentum, we never had that nice structure. So maybe the market will create something like this. That will be much better. We can buy with confidence, something like that, you see. So I'm looking for something like that. So let's go straight to gold. Sorry, not gold, Nasdaq. What's really happening on Nasdaq? Maybe let's go on a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we can easily see that on gold, the structure is quite straightforward. But before we continue on gold, guys, we have a 2-day special. 2-day special. It's $50. Sorry, 50% off. 50% off, guys, for only 2 days. So which means here you can pay on 6 months VIP signals, 12 months VIP signals lifetime. So you can pay, you can minus this 50%, and you're gonna get 75 from this area, 125 and 175 from this lifetime. So if you want to be part of the team, you can scan this QR code, WhatsApp me here, or check the link below. If you want to be in the mentorship program where you need to learn, and start to do your own thing, also you can get that 50% off here. It's going to be $175. So if you want to be part of the team, let me know, and you can just start to eat and enjoy what we do. So on Nasdaq, what do we have? We can easily see that the market was on a very nice downtrend structure, quite straightforward. The market is just breaking out. We have this aggressive push to the upside, not really bad, not really bad. But what we see here is, I see the market is doing what? The market is just consolidating around this area. The market is struggling to break to the upside. But on this one, I'm not really worried like what I saw on US30. I think the market is just straightforward. I don't think maybe there is something crazy. At least we can see that some consolidation, but still I need a proper support, guys. We need a proper support. We know that the market is pushing up, but we need a nice reversal pushing to the upside, upside like that. So I'm expecting a push like that. So but the structure was not really confusing. Everything was just straightforward. So but I'm still expecting to see a nice buy. Let's push the next one. This is quite the same on German. The market is aggressively on this bullish. Look at this. Where are you going to take a buy? Because we don't really have a proper resistance. So to me, I know that the market is just pushing up, but I'm not interested in something like that. I just need the market to reverse a little bit. So maybe S&P 500 also. S&P 500 was much better. Quite similar to what we saw on S&P 500. What we saw on Nasdaq 100. The market broke out. We have a much better structure. We saw a sort of a breakout, but I think the market is just playing games there. I'm expecting to see a nice reversal, especially when I say maybe CPI might be going down again. So which means we might see a reversal before we see a very nice push to the upside. Monday might give us a nice reversal. Then Tuesday, we might start to see the market flying. If CPI is going to go down a little bit lower than what we saw last month. Last month, it was also going down, but I'm still expecting a continuation of that inflation to go down. And another day, which is going to be Wednesday, we're going to have FOMC interest rates. I'm expecting them not to increase the rates, but let's hope that we're going to have a very nice CPI. So anyways, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. You know what to do. Scan this QR code to be part of the team, and you know we have like 50% off of everything. Only 2 days or 48 hours. Anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.